Looking for a way to migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify? Let's learn how to do so with two methods. The first method is to manually import the data. First, you'll need to export all data from WooCommerce and save it in the CSV format. Then, configure your file to meet Shopify's requirements. You can go to Shopify and click Import to download a sample CSV template if needed. Once the file is properly formatted, import it into the Shopify store. Though the method is straightforward, many types of data cannot be imported this way. But no worries. Lead Extension, #1 e-commerce migration service, can certainly solve your problem. We guarantee to deliver an accurate, secured, and smooth data migration process in 3 simple steps. First, create an account by entering your email address and password. Or, you can log in using your existing Google account. Once you access the dashboard, click New Migration on the right to get started. In the target cart setup, click Install Lead Extension app right below, where you can install the Lead Extension app and run the migration within your Shopify dashboard. Now, go to the Migration dashboard, click Create New Migration, and select WooCommerce as your source cart. Enter your store URL, along with your username and password. Alternatively, you can manually upload the connector instead. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions right on the screen. Once the connection's established, click Next, Configure your migration. This is where you choose what data to migrate, such as products, customers, orders, and more. You can either select the options one by one, or click Select All to migrate everything to Shopify. There are also several additional options you can choose from, though keep in mind that some of them require a small extra fee. Also, map the languages and order statuses from your WooCommerce store to the corresponding ones on your Shopify store, if needed. After that, confirm all your options, then click Start Free Demo Migration to migrate up to 100 entities for free and see how our app works. Or you can skip the demo and proceed directly to the full migration. Everything runs automatically on the server, so there's no need to keep your browser open. You'll receive an email notification from us once the full migration is complete. In case you have custom data requirements or prefer a completely hands-off experience, we recommend Lead Extension's all-in-one migration service. You'll be assigned a dedicated personal assistant. With years of migration experience and deep expertise in both platforms, they will handle the entire migration from start to finish and conduct rounds of testing to ensure all your requirements are met. Plus, this time, all additional options all included in the all-in-one package at no extra cost. Enjoy all the perks when working with Lead Extension, including no-code migration for both the app and all-in-one service, 24/7 customer support throughout the migration, reliable data quality assurance, comprehensive post-migration services, continuous selling during migration with no downtime, and a risk-free experience with 30-day money-back guarantee. So go for Lead Extension, your trusted expert in e-commerce migration.